All right, I'm not understanding what's going on here. I'm driving through Lavallette right now, and there's these 3 plow trucks. This guy seems like he's playing blocker. He's not letting anybody pass on the right, which I get, that's fine. But he's not salting and he's not plowing. I don't know why. And he's leaving a good amount of snow in the right lane. I have no idea. Maybe somebody can explain this maneuver. I've been following them for at least 3 miles at 10 miles an hour. All right, now I'm over in the right lane, and this guy's just driving over all the stuff, all the snow. Blizzard 2026.